Hi, I'm Farah Brunel Disa Alcantara from grade 3 Simplicity. Let's learn about number patterns. Finding more than and less than. 2,453 plus 1,000 equals 3,453. 1,000 more than 2,453 is 3,453. Example number 2. 1,238 plus 10 equals 1,248. 10 more than 1,238 is 1,248. Finding less than. Example number 3. 2,453 minus 1 equals 2,452. 1 less than 2,453 is 2,452. Example number 4. 2,453 minus 100 equals 2,353. 100 less than 2,453 is 2,453. Bye.